Are you looking for a way to burn fat that's easy on your joints? What if we told you that low-impact workouts can help you shed pounds just as effectively as high-intensity ones? Stick around for 10 workouts that will transform your fitness routine. Hello and welcome back. Today, we're diving into low-impact cardio workouts that burn fat without putting stress on your joints. Whether you're recovering from an injury or just looking for a new way to stay fit, these exercises are perfect for anyone. Let's get into it. Point 1. Swimming, the full body fat blaster. First up on our list is swimming, and let's be real, it's a total powerhouse when it comes to low impact cardio. Think about it. You're working every major muscle group, your heart's pumping and you're burning calories like crazy. But here's the thing, there's zero impact on your joints. The water supports your body weight, making it perfect for people with joint issues or injuries. Plus, swimming is incredibly versatile. You can mix it up with different strokes, intervals, or even try water jogging if you're not confident in your swimming skills. And let's not forget the bonus of staying cool while you work out. No sweaty t-shirts here, so grab your goggles and hit the pool, your body will thank you. 2. Cycling, pedal your way to fat loss. Next up, we've got cycling. Now, whether you prefer hitting the open road or staying indoors on a stationary bike, cycling is a fantastic low-impact cardio option. It's easy on your joints but tough on calories. Plus, it's a great way to build lower body strength, especially in your quads, hamstrings and calves. One of the best things about cycling is how easily you can adjust the intensity. Need a recovery day? Go for a leisurely ride. Want to push yourself? Crank up the resistance or tackle some hills. And if you're into group fitness, spin classes can be a fun and motivating way to get your cardio in. Just remember, whether you're outdoors or in, always practice proper bike safety. Point 3. Elliptical training, glide your way to fitness. Moving on to number 3, we've got the elliptical machine. Now, we know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't that just a glorified stair climber? Well, think again. The elliptical is a low-impact cardio superstar. It mimics the motion of running without the jarring impact on your joints, making it perfect for those with knee or hip issues. But don't let the smooth motion fool you. You can get a serious workout on this machine, play around with the resistance and incline to target different muscle groups and keep your body guessing. Plus, many ellipticals have handles that allow you to engage your upper body too, giving you a full body workout. So next time you're at the gym, hop on an elliptical and give it a whirl. You might just find your new favourite cardio machine. 4. Rowing, row, row, row your way to fat loss. Alright, number 4 on our list is rowing. Now, if you haven't tried a rowing machine before, you're in for a treat. This bad boy provides a full body workout that'll have you burning calories and building muscle at the same time. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cardio machines. Rowing engages your legs, core, back and arms, all while being incredibly low impact. And the best part, it's suitable for all fitness levels. Beginners can start with shorter intervals and focus on form, while more advanced fitness enthusiasts can challenge themselves with longer sessions or high-intensity intervals. Just remember to keep your back straight and engage your core. Your future self will thank you for it. Point 5. Power walking, not your grandma's stroll. Now, don't scroll past this one thinking it's too easy. Power walking is number 5 on our list for good reason. It's a fantastic low-impact cardio workout that can be done pretty much anywhere, anytime. And trust us, when done right, it's far from a leisurely stroll in the park. The key to power walking is, well, power. We're talking brisk pace, pumping arms and engaged core. You want to aim for a pace that has you breathing harder but still able to hold a conversation. And here's a pro tip. Find some hills or stairs to incorporate into your route. This will increase the intensity and help you burn even more calories. Plus, walking outdoors has the added benefit of vitamin D and fresh air, so lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement. 6. Dance. Shake your way to fitness. Who says workouts can't be fun? Number 6 on our list is dancing, and it's proof that burning fat doesn't have to feel like a chore. Whether you're into Zumba, hip hop, or just freestyle dancing in your living room, this low-impact cardio option is a great way to get your heart rate up and have a blast doing it. The beauty of dance as a workout is its versatility. You can adjust the intensity based on your fitness level, and there are so many styles to choose from that you'll never get bored. Plus, dancing improves coordination, balance and flexibility alongside its cardio benefits. So crank up your favourite tunes and dance like nobody's watching. Your body and your mood will thank you. Point 7. Stair climbing, step up your cardio game. Coming in at number 7, we've got stair climbing. Now, before you start having flashbacks to that time, you had to climb 10 flights of stairs because the elevator was out. Hear us out. Stair climbing is an incredibly effective low-impact cardio workout that targets your lower body and gets your heart pumping. The best part? You don't need a fancy machine or gym membership to do it. Find a set of stairs in your home, office or local park and you're good to go. Start with short intervals and gradually increase your time as you build stamina. And if you do have access to a stair climbing machine at the gym, that's great too. Just remember to keep a slight bend in your knees to absorb impact and engage your core for stability. 8. Yoga, not just for flexibility. Bet you didn't expect to see yoga on a cardio list, did you? Well, surprise! Number 8 on our list of low-impact cardio workouts is indeed yoga. Now, we're not talking about your relaxing, meditative yoga, although that has its place too. We're talking about power yoga or vinyasa flow. These dynamic styles of yoga keep you moving, flowing from one pose to the next in time with your breath. The constant movement keeps your heart rate elevated, giving you those cardio benefits. Plus, you're building strength, improving flexibility, and working on balance all at the same time. It's truly a full body workout. And the best part, it's completely low impact and can be modified to suit any fitness level. Namaste to that. Point 9, Pilates core powered cardio. Moving on to number 9, we've got Pilates. Now you might be thinking, isn't Pilates just for core strength? Well, yes and no. While Pilates is fantastic for building core strength, certain styles like cardio Pilates or Pilates reformer classes can definitely get your heart rate up and burn some serious calories. Pilates focuses on controlled movements and proper form, making it a great low-impact option. But don't let that fool you. It can be incredibly challenging. The focus on core engagement throughout the workout means you're constantly working even when the movements seem small. Plus, the emphasis on proper breathing helps oxygenate your blood and keep your heart rate elevated. So roll out that mat and give Pilates a try. Your core and your cardiovascular system will thank you. 10. TRX Training suspension. Cardio. Last but certainly not least, we've got TRX Training at number 10. If you're not familiar with TRX, it's a suspension training system that uses your body weight and gravity as resistance. And let us tell you, it's a game changer when it comes to low impact cardio. TRX allows you to perform a wide range of exercises that get your heart pumping without putting stress on your joints. You can do everything from rows to lunges to mountain climbers, all while suspended. This engages your core and stabilizing muscles in a way that traditional cardio often doesn't. Plus, you can easily modify the difficulty by changing your body position. It's like having a full gym in one simple piece of equipment. So whether you're recovering from an injury looking to protect your joints or just want to switch up your routine, give these low-impact cardio workouts a try. Your body will get the benefits of a great cardio session without the wear and tear of high-impact exercises. Remember, the best workout is the one you'll actually do consistently. So find the low-impact cardio options that you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Your heart, your joints and your waistline will all thank you. That's all for today, fitness friends. Keep moving, stay motivated, and we'll catch you in the next video.